Hey fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today's awesome vlog. If you're curious what I'm doing today, I want to talk to all of you about a computer case I had for over 3 years, should I say. What should I do with it, should I say? Should I build a whole new computer out of it, should I say? It's the Corsair 450D computer case, and I'm going to show you what computer case it is. Right now I can't get to it because it's actual behind my pipe lamp, should I say, but I do have some photos of it, should I say. Okay, notice here it is. This is the computer case itself. This is what it actually looks like. It's basically half kind of built, should I say, but I'm trying to figure out what I need for it, should I say. But it's a very nice computer case, should I say. But you know, sometimes when you buy things and stuff like that, you're trying to figure out what are you going to build out of that new computer case. But yes, I had it for at least over 3 years, should I say. Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should I build a new computer out of it, should I say? That'd be kind of cool, basically. But alright, if you guys and girls are by this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Catch you in the next one. Peace.